LeBronto or Hugh Steph, which is worse? LeBronto was the period between 2016 and 2018 when LeBron eliminated Toronto each season, sweeping them twice and dominating at such a level that Toronto became known as LeBronto. But in the West, there's another one-sided relationship, Houston and Steph Curry. Steph's Warriors eliminated Houston in 2015, 2016, 2018, and 2019 when they had James Harden at the helm. But over the next 6 years, Houston tanked and totally rebuilt their roster, finally becoming a 50-win team again just for 37-year-old Steph and Golden State to beat them. Hungry for more? Wake up with breakfast at Dunkin'. Grab an iced coffee, bacon, egg, and cheese, and hash browns for only $6 from Dunkin'.